Are you still the person reminding everyone about everything? In the next few minutes, I will show you how to set up one shared household hub and move that follow-through out of your memory. You will download Houseloop, create your account, finish onboarding, take the product tour, and start using groceries, baby and nursing tracking, family invitations, widgets, planner events, reminders, and notifications. Follow along on an iPhone, or use the web version at houseloop.app. First, download Houseloop. On an iPhone, open the App Store and search for Houseloop, or scan the QR code shown on screen. You can also open a browser and go to www.houseloop.app. The website gives you access to Houseloop on a computer and points mobile users toward the app. Once installation finishes, open Houseloop. If you are using the web version, choose the option to get started or create an account. On the sign-in screen, choose the account method that works best for you. Continue with Apple uses your Apple identity and can keep your email private. Continue with Google opens the Google account picker. Continue with email sends a 6-digit sign-in code to your inbox, so there is no password to remember. New users should stay in create account mode. Returning users can switch to sign in. Complete the provider prompt or enter your email code, and Houseloop will take a new account into onboarding. The onboarding begins with 3 short value slides. The first explains the core idea: stop being the only one who remembers everything. The second introduces handoffs, where every task can have an owner and a visible finish. The third brings the system together with the baby tracker, routines, reminders, and family planning. Tap Continue on the first 2 slides, then tap Set up your household. Enter your name if it was not already supplied, name your household, choose your role, and optionally add a referral code. Then finish the setup. Immediately after household setup, Houseloop shows the Plus screen. Plus begins with a 3-day free trial and 1 subscription covers the whole family. You can choose the annual plan, currently $69.99 per year, or the monthly plan, currently $7.99 per month. Store pricing and trial eligibility can vary, so always confirm the terms shown on your device before starting the trial. The subscription renews automatically unless it is canceled through your App Store or Google Play account. Houseloop does not have a free plan. A Plus subscription is required to use the app after onboarding. If you close the first subscription screen, Houseloop shows a one-time welcome offer, $39.99 for the first year, followed by $69.99 per year. This discounted offer starts immediately and does not include the 3-day trial. Review the renewal terms carefully, then choose the standard trial plan or the welcome offer that works for you. After setup, Houseloop opens today and shows a short guided tour. The first stop is the baby tracker, a shared view of the baby's day. Next is the grocery list, where the household can add and check off items together. The third stop shows where to add your family. The last stop introduces meal planning with Maya. Use Next to move through the tour, or skip if you already know where you want to go. The bottom navigation keeps today, planner, waiting, family, and routines close at hand. To start a grocery list, open the grocery list card from today. Tap Add an item, type what the household needs, and save it. Keep item name specific, and include a quantity or brand when that prevents a follow-up question. Anyone in the household can see the same list. At the store, tap an item to mark it complete. The list works best when the whole household adds needs as they notice them instead of asking one person to remember everything. Open Baby Tracker to share the baby's day between parents and caregivers. Use the quick actions to log feeds, sleep, diapers, and other care details. For nursing, open Nursing Tracker and start the left or right timer when a feed begins. Switch sides as needed, then save the session. If you forgot to start the timer, add a past feed manually with its start time and minutes on each side. You can also enable the next feed reminder and choose a timing interval. Because the tracker is shared, the next caregiver can understand the latest activity without asking someone to reconstruct the day. To add another person, open Family and find Add Someone. Choose the role that fits, such as mom, dad, partner, child, roommate, or other. You can use the phone's share sheet, copy an invitation link, send a text, or reveal the email invitation option. The recipient opens the link and joins your household. Invite the people who genuinely share the work, then give tasks one clear owner. A household invitation is different from sending a one-off handoff. Membership gives the person ongoing access to the household's shared features. For at-a-glance access, open Settings and find the Home Screen widget section. Connect the widget inside Houseloop first. Then return to your phone's home screen, press and hold an empty area, open the widget gallery, search for Houseloop, and choose the widget size you want. Add it to the home screen and position it where it is useful. The widget can surface today's household work without requiring you to open the full app every time. Widget availability and the exact home screen controls depend on your phone and operating system version. To put something on the planner, open Planner and tap Add Reminder. Give the reminder a clear name, choose its life area, and set the event date and time. Add an owner when another person is responsible. You can choose useful alerts and include an optional note with the context someone will need. Then tap Add Reminder. The item appears in the day, week, or month view. A good reminder is timed before action becomes urgent. For example, create Pickup Maya's prescription, assign the owner, set the pharmacy deadline, and add an earlier alert that leaves enough travel time. Finally, configure notifications. In Houseloop settings, turn on the master notification switch. Then choose the updates that are useful to you, accepted handoffs, completed items, gentle nudges for work that is still waiting, the Sunday weekly recap, replies and family notes, and the daily family brief. Baby recovery and nursing reminders can also be enabled when relevant. If alerts still do not appear, open the iPhone settings app, choose Notifications, select Houseloop, and allow notifications there. Keep the alerts that help your household act, and turn off anything that becomes noise. You are ready to start with one real household loop. Download Houseloop on the App Store by scanning the QR code, or visit www.houseloop.app. Add one grocery item, baby care log, invitation, or reminder that normally lives in your head. Give it a clear owner and let Houseloop show the follow-through.